Good morning, dear students. I am teaching chapter 2 and name of the chapter 2 is the components of food. Lesson 2, components of food. Components of food. Components of food. And in this chapter today I will discuss about the MTM. What is the midday meal program? And yesterday we discussed about the balanced meal. What is the balanced meal? And yesterday I told you about the balanced meal, and balanced meal is a meal which contain proper quantity of food items from the each group. That is from the milk group, from the bread group, from the cereals group, like that. So each nutrients contain in appropriate manner, and so they are called the balanced diet. And you know that generally a balanced diet includes a specific number of servings from each food groups as follows: 4 servings from the milk group, 2 servings from the pulses and meat group, 4 servings from the bread or cereal group, and 4 servings from the fruits and vegetable groups. And now we will discuss about what is the MTM, midday meal program. What is the MTM? What is the midday meal program? What is the midday meal program? What is the midday meal program? What is the MTM? In short form we are telling MTM, midday meal program. So you know that midday meal program is also called school lunch or school meal program. This midday meal program is also called the school lunch or school meal program. And you know that the aim of this program is to provide additional meal to the children studying in primary classes. Those who are studying in primary classes, that MTM is provided to that children. The diet of these children often lacks in essential components of the food because they are very poor. They can't afford the food. That's why it is gone by the government system, that midday meal program. And in this type, these children often lack in essential components of food, and the purpose of MTM is to provide such a meal which will overcome the deficiencies in their diets at home. Means at home they are not getting the sufficient quantity of food. That's why they are providing proteins, vitamins, fats. And in rural areas, those who are very poor, and in rural areas, many children come to school with empty stomach. Means they are not taking any kind of food and they are coming school with empty stomach, without food or partially hungry, and some even come with partially hungry. Some are coming with empty stomach. So MTM is useful to proper growth of the children and development of such kind of children. That MTM in schools now also it is working, and that aim of the MTM, in short form midday meal program, it is provided by the government in primary classes. Nowadays it is providing 6 to 8 classes also in government schools. They are providing, and each day different food items which is filled with nutrients, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins. Each and every day they are providing different kind of food items. And you know that, so MTM is very useful to the children. those who are very poor, those who are coming school, those who are coming government school with partially hunger, or they are coming school with the empty stomach or partially stomach. So they are taking some kind of food, so they are not getting sufficient quantity of food. That's why this MTM Mid-Day Meal program is continuously by the government. I think all of you understood. And so all of you now come to the diseases due to imbalance in the diet. Diseases, which kind of diseases caused when diseases due to imbalance, diseases due to imbalance in the diet. Diseases due to imbalance in the diet. Diseases due to imbalance in the diet. Which kind of diseases will occur when our food items which we are taking are not filled with the sufficient quantity of nutrients? So when we will take imbalanced diet, then it is not good for the health. It will cause different kind of diseases. So if we will take inadequate quantity of food, under nourishment or under nutrition, and excess of food, that is the overnutrition, and the food lacks in some essential components, that is the nutrient. So this is very harmful. If we will take more nutrient, then also it is not good. If we will take less nutrient, then also it is not good. So if we will take proper diet, in that diet all kind of food materials are present, then it is good for the health. So all of you take revision till here, and till MTM I have completed, and you will take a revision till here.